This is our first official bike ride. Technically, Elijah's on his scooter, but I made him learn how to ride a bike about 15 minutes ago, and he did exceptionally well, but he's not quite ready to go out on his own. So he's riding his scooter. But Lily's doing good. Riley and Dexter's up there. This is technically our first official bike ride. We haven't actually gone out to go bike riding. Just keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Straight. Just stay on the side like you are. You're fine. Anyway. I know nothing else. Hi, Lily. Pay attention to where you're going. Anyway, that's it.